Hi ladies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shirley and today I'll be doing my do-it-yourself deep conditioning routine, so stay tuned. So this is a quick do-it-yourself deep conditioning routine with stuff you have at home. So the first thing you want to use is some honey. This is just honey from Trader Joe's. I think it was like $8.99 or something, so you get a lot of honey for a cheap price. Then you want to use extra virgin olive oil, just whatever olive oil you can find. And then you want to have a base conditioner, deep conditioner. I use the Intensive Hydration Hair Mask from SheaMoisture. This stuff, it smells amazing. I always say this, like stuff that smells good, it's amazing to me. But besides it smelling good, it's so thick. It's like really, really thick, and it leaves your hair like really, really moisturized. So, but you can use any conditioner or deep conditioner as a base for this do-it-yourself treatment. So you want to start off by taking a spoon, so about this much. This is a tablespoon, not a teaspoon. So you take some more because I like a lot of this. And you just put it in any container that you can microwave because we are going to be microwaving this. Then you want to take your honey. And you want to put about the same amount of honey as you do the conditioner. I'll show you guys how it's looking. And then you just want to take the olive oil. And I mean, I don't know how much I put in it, but I just eyeball it. And I put enough, I don't know. So there you can see the olive oil. Then what you want to do is put this in the microwave for 10 seconds. What you don't want to do is cook the oil. So you really, if you have a really powerful microwave, just start off with 5 seconds and work your way up. If not, 10 seconds should be enough just to melt everything together. And then you can mix them. So let me go heat this up and I'll be back. So I ended up leaving it for like about 15 seconds just to make sure everything was really binding together. There you go. So now you want to take your shower cap off. So I have freshly washed hair, and many people do this different. Some people, you know, do their deep conditioning treatment right after, like once their hair is dirty, just because they don't want to wash their hair. I think it's kind of counteractive. I like to have everything off of my hair, all of the product, so that this deep conditioner can fully penetrate my hair. So now that my hair is freshly washed, I mean, that's up to you how you want to do it. I just start applying the deep conditioner. And it's not too hot. Like I said, you don't want to cook it. So it just feels kind of warm, but it's not too hot. So once you feel like there's enough conditioner in your hair, you want to go through with your Denman brush and really work your way through to make sure that all strands of your hair have product in it. See how I'm kind of flattening it out? Just to make sure it's evenly distributed and coated. I like to twirl my hair and give myself 2 little buns. Then I'm gonna go through again and comb my hair with the Denman brush. And I'll get close here so you can see. This is what you want your hair to look like. Just so that all your little stragglers, all your little split ends are really binding together. For people with really thick hair, or if you have really bad heat damage, or if your hair is just like really dry in general, honey works wonders. So I'm gonna do the same on this side. Give myself a little bun. And that's it. You want to put your shower cap back on. You could use a bag, whatever you have in hand. You want to leave this on for 20 minutes. So go scroll, go read a book, do something, but leave it on for 20 minutes. If you do want to get under the dryer, I don't really get under the dryer just because I'm not trying to add more heat to my hair, but I know you could if you want to, because it does penetrate your hair shaft more. But yeah, that is my do-it-yourself deep conditioning routine. I do this, ladies, once a week just to make sure that my curls are moisturized, usually on Fridays or Saturdays right before I restyle my hair for the week. And yeah, if you have any questions, comment below, I'll answer them. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Bye.